Living with chronic fatigue and fibromyalgia. Tips and tricks to manage symptoms. Living with chronic fatigue and fibromyalgia can be a challenge, but there are ways to manage the symptoms and improve your quality of life. In this video, we share tips and tricks that have worked for us and other people living with these conditions. From pacing yourself to getting enough sleep, we cover a wide range of topics. Join us to learn more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Both chronic fatigue syndrome, CFS, and fibromyalgia are chronic conditions that can cause a variety of symptoms, including fatigue, pain, stiffness, cognitive dysfunction, anxiety, and sleep problems. While there is no cure for these conditions, there are several ways people can manage their symptoms to improve their quality of life. One way to manage the symptoms of CFS and fibromyalgia is through lifestyle changes. This may include getting regular exercise, maintaining a healthy diet, managing stress levels, and getting enough sleep. Exercise can be particularly helpful as it has been shown to reduce pain and improve physical function in people with fibromyalgia. Another way to manage symptoms is through medication. There are several medications that may be used to treat CFS and fibromyalgia, including pain relievers, antidepressants, and anti-seizure drugs. These medications can help to reduce pain, improve sleep, and manage mood disorders such as depression and anxiety. Complementary therapies such as acupuncture, massage therapy, and cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, may also be beneficial in managing symptoms of CFS and fibromyalgia. Acupuncture has been shown to reduce pain, stiffness, and stress. CBT can help people to better manage their symptoms by changing negative thoughts and behaviors that can contribute to pain and fatigue. In summary, managing the symptoms of chronic fatigue syndrome and fibromyalgia may involve lifestyle changes, medication, and complementary therapies, such as acupuncture and CBT. It is important for people with these conditions to work closely with their healthcare provider to develop a comprehensive treatment plan that meets their individual needs.
Do not stop taking any prescribed medications or treatments without consulting your doctor. The materials and the information contained on this channel are provided for general and educational purposes only, and do not constitute any legal, medical, or other professional advice on any subject matter. The information shared in the videos on this channel is not a substitute for a medical professional's advice.